Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow compositor speaking. It appears that Dogecoin is going in the right direction for the buyers, and it looks like things are starting to shape out as they should in the Dogecoin and USD cryptocurrency here. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. What we're going to do is actually pull up that range that we've been following, that large consolidation range. I'm also going to explain to you all what needs to take place at a specific level in order for the market to advance to higher levels. And just take a quick look at the RSI and go over the small range that Dogecoin is currently within. So stick around to the end. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new here, consider joining us, guys. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's April the 13th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 7.4 cents. It's up approximately 5.2% for the day. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR interesting analysis. So I'm going to pull up the range. Here it is right here, guys. I think you guys remember this. That's it. Super simple. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been following a very large sideways consolidation that extends all the way down to 4.7 cents. All the way up to 7.8 cents, okay? It's just been consolidating within this range. It's pretty interesting how it actually came to fruition. On one of our videos, we were saying that it could actually make a kind of a cuppage formation, and it appears that's exactly what's going on. Let's all be clear that Dogecoin currently is in a position where it has technically made a lower high, assuming that this will be the end of the price activity. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, guys. You guys know me. I'm the neutral party. But technically speaking, this is a lower high. I still think that this price activity is developing. It's too soon for us to say it's a lower high, but I just wanted to kind of point that out for you as the price action develops here. One of the other things that I wanted to point out is Dogecoin has been consolidating within this range. If we just kind of, we don't have to take it from this area. We can actually kind of measure it all the way over here near the February the 4th, 2021, over to present day to see how much time has Dogecoin been consolidating within this range. Now, for those of you who are new, the only thing that we really look at on the channel here is support, resistance, and patterns. And we pay attention to how much time has the price action, or the cryptocurrency rather, has been consolidating within the pattern. And so far, I have measured 68 days. Now, that's a fair amount of time. I would have liked to see a little bit more consolidating, but don't worry about what I want to see, right? If the Dogecoin army is ready to break out of this range, then that's what will likely reflect in the price action. And some may say, well, excuse me, do I still see Dogecoin going to $1.27? We did make a prediction. Hopefully, we left a link for the video. Yes, I do still think that will happen. However, it's not meeting the exact criteria which I thought that it would play out in order for it to have a lengthy consolidation before that move up to $1.27. Hopefully that makes sense. I was basically saying that I'd like to see it consolidate all the way over to like August 2021. And I know some are like, dude, that's way too long, man. We can't wait that long. But structurally, I think that would be the healthy case scenario in order to have that very aggressive move to the upside. But as long as it's walking up the stairs, Dogecoin is currently in an uptrend, and it has a beautiful structure in terms of walking up the stairs. As long as it can continue to do that, let's just say it does break out over the course of the next week or two, and it breaks out, and the buyer's commitment, they have good intentions, and they hold the market up, and they find a new range to have some sort of sideways or even a falling wedge consolidation, that's fine. As long as the market is continuing, again, to walk up the stairs, everything is just fine. Let's get a quick zoom in here and let everyone know where the current range is. So please take note of the range of Dogecoin. So as long as Dogecoin is staying above the, the 7 cent level. So somewhere right about there. Yeah. Excuse me. So yeah, as long as Dogecoin is staying above 7 cents or like 6.9 cents, remember you have to kind of account for the wicks. You know, sometimes if there's a developing daily candle, if it kind of gets below that level for a few hours or so, and it kind of closes back above 6.9 or 7 cents, yeah, it's fine, guys. You have to just let the price action continue to develop. And I'm not saying that's actually going to happen. I'm just giving you the range. 6.9 cents, and the overhead is going to be 7.8 cents. Now, the 7.8 cents is important. Hopefully, you guys remember us going over the buyer's commitment candle. If you do remember that, then that's what we're looking for next. If Dogecoin is gearing up to break out to the upside, as the closer it gets to 7.8 cents, the next thing that we will be looking for is that buyer's commitment candle, whether it's just associated with a tweet or someone who has a substantial amount of capital and they're buying up this cryptocurrency. All I need to see is the buyer's commitment candle to step into the market, and at that very moment, we'll assess whether or not they're going to hold the markets up and continue to propel it to the upside and have some sort of sideways consolidation, as we just mentioned. That is yet to determine, and that's not guaranteed it's actually going to happen. So please have a strategy and don't take this as financial advice. Okay. So that's one of the things. And I do think we had a target of about 16 cents overhead. We could do like a really quick measurement from the current level up to like 16 cents. It's like 113% to the upside. But I don't want to leave you guys with like a millions of numbers, guys. The only thing that we're focusing on this video is the current range. So this way we can all be on the same page in terms of the potential consolidating that's going on before the next move, which if it will continue up, it will be to the upside. Again, 7 cents up to 7.8 cents is the current range. Okay, it's just consolidating to make its next move. Let's take a quick look at the RSI to see what we have. We kind of erased that on like so many lines on the charts. All right, so the RSI, again, these are the daily candles if I haven't explained that. So the line that you're looking at, this kind of the white overhead horizontal line, this represents the oversold territories. So if you see how I'm kind of making the path here, let me see if I can change that color so we can kind of put everything in perspective here. So the path, if the RSI, for those of you who are new and just like don't know anything about technical analysis, I'll give it my best shot here. The RSI just simply lets us know how many people are buying Dogecoin. Well, it doesn't let us know how many people, but it represents if there's a lot of buying activity taking place in the market. So I'm just going to do like a really quick illustration of what goes on in the RSI. Let's say the RSI is starting to push above this white line here, which is currently at 70. The white line represents a lot of people buying Dogecoin or any asset rather. If the RSI is getting above the 70 level, that means it's in overbought territories, which means at some point in the price action, this will reflect in the price action, and at some point the price will need to cool off, whether that's before or after it finds new territories overhead or it finds new levels overhead. But when it is in the oversold territories, yeah, that means that the price needs to eventually go up with the RSI, right, and then cool off as a result of it being overbought, if that makes sense. Okay. So that's what the RSI, and I just want to point this out because it's not above the 70 level yet. So that leads me to believe that there could be more room to push to the upside. And of course, that would reflect in the price as well as the price action breaks out to the upside potentially. Okay. So I just wanted to show you that in comparison to the RSI. Everything looks good. Everything is still on track to continue to go to the upside. Dogecoin is still within a very large consolidation range. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Let's wrap it up here. Hopefully you enjoyed that and this was useful. Hopefully you took note of the levels, and that's it, guys. So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolios. Also, if you're new, we'd like to earn your subscription if you're interested. We go over the traditional markets. If you're into stocks, we'd like to send that to you. We go over that 7 days a week, so you can join us here kindly and on this very interesting journey that we go over throughout the week here. So that's it, guys. Remember to execute your strategies out there. It's really important. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.